Hi guys, I'm Rita. In this episode, I will show you how you can add a new code on your chart of accounts. To add a new code, you need to go to Accounts section, so select Accounts from sidebar, and we want to add, in my case, I want to add salaries or wages code. To add it, click on plus button and select and add account. Here, add name of account, type of account, select where this account will be, like living or sitting. In my case, it's under current liabilities. Start date is in line with my tax year and there is no opening balance. Currency will be in pound sterlings, and if I want, I can add a description, for example, UK salaries, and click add. So now salaries code have been added under my liabilities. If you need to edit, click on edit account and you will be presented with the same pop-up card and you can amend details here. So in this episode I covered how you can add a new code to your chart of accounts. Also, I have shared a link in description section below to my complete Kashoo accounting software tutorial. In this tutorial I cover all sections in detail. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me.